again and welcome back. My name's Annie and this is my creative detour. Today I'm doing a quick cards collection from PaperRoseStudio and I'm actually working on Flower Market. I like doing these quick card collections and I usually try and set myself a challenge to do as many cards as I can out of 6 sheets. Now the kits come with 18 double-sided 6x8 pattern papers, so 3 of each design, and I usually try and use 1 of each, so 6 sheets, and then I use whatever embossed die cuts I need. But what I like to do is I like to do 1 of each of the cards that Paper Rose has suggested on their inspo sheet. So I try to do 1 of each of these, but I don't necessarily use as much paper as what they use. I switch some of the paper out and use some solid cardstock to extend it. So today I've managed to do 12 cards out of the 6 sheets. So what I've done is I've made up the 6 inspo sheet cards, but then with the offcut, instead of using it as a backing paper on that card that they've suggested, I've used it to create another card. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the card from the inspo sheet, and then I'll put together the card with the offcut from that sheet, and we'll put the other 6 cards together today. Okay, so here we go. Here's the first card. Now this is from the inspo sheet. This is what the suggested card is. So I've made one of those. So here we can see I've used the blue paper. From the offcut of the blue paper, I'm going to put this card together. So I've started it so that the video doesn't end up being too long. And in all of the cards, you can see that I have finished the inside with scraps. So I've mounted it on some white card onto some coloured cardstock, and then just used some of the offcuts to decorate the inside of the card. So here we have this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just glue these down. Now, what I have done exactly what they have suggested on the inspo sheet. But in saying that, I have pulled out some extra butterflies. I did buy an extra embossed die cuts when I purchased this, and I have pulled out some extra butterflies. But if you didn't have extras, you could use butterflies from other collections, or you could cut back on the number of butterflies that they're saying to use here. So say on this one, they're suggesting you use 2 butterflies plus this joy one. Well, you could just use this joy, and it's got a butterfly attached, and 1 other butterfly, and save this butterfly for another card. So you don't have to use as many as what they're saying. So you could save a few butterflies and make them stretch a little bit further if you didn't have extras like I've got. So I'm just going to decorate this one. This one says happy birthday. I love doing these card kits because they're so quick and easy to make. Most things are in the kit. I have, like I said, used some of my cardstock. What I have done, I'll show you on this one, is put some of the PaperRoseStudio clear crystals on. So there's one here, and one up there. I'll just tilt it so that you can see them. So I would just come back and put some of those on. So there's those 2. Let's do the next one. Here's the suggested card. Now, as I mentioned before, if you wanted to stretch your butterflies, you could leave one of these butterflies off. And once again, I've put some crystals on. There's 1, 2, 3 little crystals on here. So that's the suggested one. And you can see that from the other half of the paper, I have created this one. And all I'm going to do is use some of the other components and pretty much do the exact same layout as the one that I did earlier. So let's glue that one down. This one says, thinking of you. And what I do with these is I actually bundle them up and put 6 in a pack. And I actually use them as gifts and put them, you know, like somebody's birthday, I might buy a candle for them and then put a packet of these cards as a gift. So there's our second one. I'll show you that. And I'll pop some crystals onto that later. So there's number 2. So I'll just show you what I do with these. These ones here, you can see that they're from Easter Memories. And I've put all of the spring cards together. There's 6 in it. So there's 6 cards. I've put 6 envelopes. And I've just used some of the paper and put some staples in it, and an eyelet. Now these ones are from Holiday Fun from Paper Rose, and you can see that the same thing. I've put 6 cards, 6 envelopes, and then just a piece of the paper and pop them into a cellophane bag and put an eyelet in it. And this one is from Jolly Holidays. And once again, I've used a little bit of the pattern paper, put an eyelet in, and put 6 cards. They are a lovely gift to put with, you know, like if you've got something for a gift but you just want to pop something with it. Everybody needs some cards. So that's what I end up doing with these. Sorry about the crackle. Okay, so here we have the next one. Now this is the suggested one from Paper Rose. To do the next one, I actually used some strips, some offcuts from different papers and put them together and joined them. So there was 2 of the pink, 2 strips, and then I cut the butterfly bit out. And I'm just going to glue this one on here. So I've just put some double-sided dimensional tape on here. And I'm just going to position that one on top of this butterfly. When you pop out the embossed die cuts, it has little nibs on it, or little bits of card. So I just like to pull those off. I'm going to just nestle this little cheers sentiment down here and just pop this little butterfly on. There we go. And I will put some of the crystals onto that one as well. Okay, for the next one, we've used the butterfly paper. And you can see that I have created this one, and it's the suggested one by the inspo sheet. And you can see I've popped crystals on it. And what I've done with the next one is I have used some of the offcuts, the strips, and I haven't covered the whole card. You can see that there's a bit in the middle that's not covered, and that's because I was starting to run low on some of the pattern paper by now. So what I did was I cut off a strip of the polka dot, and I've just mounted it on some purple cardstock, and I've just used strips with nothing behind it, but I'm going to glue this on here, and you won't even know that it doesn't cover the whole thing. So let's glue that on. So I've just done that because I didn't have enough of the paper. So I'm going to pretty much copy what I've got here. So let's glue these ones on. You can see that they come together so quickly. for those that are regulars, you would know that I've talked about how much we love going cruising. For those that are new, welcome and hello to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. And for those that are visiting, I hope you enjoy the quick cards today. But I often talk about how much my husband and I both love going on a cruise. I really enjoy taking these card kits with me on cruises because they're very easy to put together. You don't have to carry too much with you to make them, and the quality of the product is exceptional. So all I'm doing here is I'm using some of the die cut scrap cardstock here to pack up this little sentiment with some so that it sits nice and level on the card. There we go. There's another two done. Okay, so this is the next one, and you can see that this is the suggested one. So here we go. That's what is on the inspo sheet, and I've popped a few crystals on it and done the inside. And then with the offcut, it got used on this suggested card. So on the inspo sheet, they suggested that you use this half of the pattern paper to do this card, and then to cut this section out and create this card, which is what I did. And there's that one. So that left me with two strips. So I had two strips of scrap. So what I did was I pulled in one other strip of scrap that I had and mounted it on, and we've just done a card that's got strips on it. And I've pulled out a tag out of the die cuts, and I've just put on with my tiny attacher a little piece of ribbon. I'm going to glue that down. I'm just covering up that sentiment with another sentiment that I prefer for this card. I'll pop on a butterfly. As I said, I'm using some of the butterflies from out of additional supply that I have, but you could spread out your butterflies or use some butterflies from somewhere else. I'm just going to glue that one on. So that card's turned out quite nice for it to be made out of all of the scraps. So there's that one. Back to this one. This is where we used the offcut from there, and this is the one that they suggested. That's what it looks like. And I ended up just using whatever scraps I had left. So from the scraps that I had left, there's the inside of the card. We managed to pull this one together. So once again, I just used a little bit of ribbon and stapled it with my tiny attacher to the tag, and I'm going to glue that down. Okay, so there's our final card. What I'm going to do now is I will off camera, I'll put all of the crystals on all of these, and then I'll pop back and show you the 12 finished cards. I'll be back in a moment. I've finished the cards. I'll put them out. I'll just gradually show you what they look like, and I'll try and put them out in pairs. So here we have the two yellow backgrounds. So suggested one and the spare. Okay, we have two butterfly ones. So this was the suggested one. And then we got a bonus one. Okay, and here we have the two blue ones. So this is the suggested one. And here we have the spare bonus one. Then we have the pink background one. So here's the suggested one. And then this is a bonus one. but it is made up from scraps from a few different papers. Then we have the floral background. So this is a suggested one. We made this card out of quite a few strips of scraps. And then our last two, so this was the suggested one. And we managed to make this one out of the leftover scraps and the last few embossed die cuts. And I still have 12 sheets left of the Quick Cards collection to do something else. So there we go. That's the PaperRoseStudio Flower Market Quick Cards collection. And they're the 12 cards that I managed to make out of 6 sheets. So thank you very much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you all with another project very soon. Have a great week. Bye for now.